A very good afternoon, dear students. Myself Simhana Devi, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering from Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology. Today I would like to demonstrate you all regarding different crystal structures. What is actually a crystal structure? Crystal structure in the universe you will find for different metals, non-metals, alloys, ceramics, nanomaterials, composites. So for different elements you will find the different crystal structures. This is your simple cubic crystal structure. What is actually simple cubic crystal structure? Simple cubic crystal structure, you can see the spheres type, right? There are 8 spheres occupied at the 8 corners of the unit cell, okay? This is regarding your simple cubic crystal structure. I just want to tell you all that for different elements you have different crystal structures. Now let us see what are the different types of crystal structures we have so far. If you look at the first one, dear students, you will find that there is a simple cubic crystal structure where you will find just 8 atoms are occupied at the 8 corners of the unit cell. Next one, if you find at the body centered cubic crystal structure, what is the main difference between simple cubic and body centered? It's a simple thing, there is one more atom at the center of the body, okay? And coming to the last one, face centered cubic crystal structure. This face centered cubic crystal structure, normally you find 8 atoms are occupied at the 8 corners of the unit cell, and also there are 2 phases exactly here. You may get it out, ma'am, we also have the other 2 phases here. This is not called as a phase because if you start drawing this diagram, you will find that you are joining 2 rectangles indirectly. So 2 rectangles have 2 different phases. First rectangle one phase, second rectangle another phase. So if you look at the if you start comparing all the diagrams, you will find 8 atoms are placed at the 8 corners of the unit cell, and also there is one more item at the center of the body for BCC, and there is the center of the item for phases in case of face and cubic crystal structure. This is regarding the broad classification, and also you find the hexagonally closed pack crystal structure also, okay? These are the different crystal structures, dear students. Thank you all for listening this lecture.